So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Shani, and as you guys saw in the beginning clips of the video, this is an iPad unboxing video. So if you guys like this video and you'd like to see more, definitely leave thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you get notified when I post. That was a fail. But anyway, as you guys saw in the earlier clips, this is going to be an unboxing and a review of the iPad 7th generation. So I showed you guys me unboxing the iPad. I have the iPad 7th generation, 32 gigabytes, and this is the excuse me, this is the 10.2 iPad. And like I said, I have it in space gray, as you guys saw earlier. And this is my iPad, and this is my case. I got this rose gold case, also from Amazon. It was about $7. After tax, it was about $6.99. It is the folio type case, so nothing too special. And I apologize for you guys seeing all those fingerprints and the screen protector, because this is not the right size of screen protector. But anyway, I got it on Saturday. I also got a fake Apple Pencil, which I will be doing a review on for you guys very soon. Yeah, like I said, this is space gray, 32 gigabytes. So first steps is that I like about this iPad, because previously I had the iPad Air, the original Air, or the iPad 5, and it was a bit smaller than this. I think it was probably about an inch and some smaller than this, which this is the, you can kind of tell this tempered glass screen protector is from that old iPad. And what happened was, when I got this on Saturday, I just kept getting fingerprints everywhere, and I just was disgusted and looking at all those fingerprints. So I was like, let me go ahead and use what I have, and thank goodness I had a extra tempered glass one, so you can't really even tell that it's smaller than this unless you're looking very close, but it is protecting it. I have matte screen protectors coming on Saturday, so that's why. So first off, the things about this one is I noticed that it has like the little 3 magnetic like connectors, and this is so you can use like the smart keyboards or whatever with it. Also, you can put your Apple Pencils on there, which I don't have. Like I said, I have the fake one. And another thing that I noticed too about this one versus the old one is, oh my god, there's something on my mic. I don't know what that is. I noticed that the power button is at the top of the iPad, which I'm used to them being on the side. Also, the volume buttons are on the side, and it doesn't have the volume like little thing that you could click, because on the iPad Air it has the little volume ticker that you can click, and also that would do like the auto rotation and stuff like that, but I guess they don't make them like that anymore. And I will say that it's very light. It's not heavy at all. It also has the fingerprint scanner, as you can see. I can unlock that. Let me get Netflix off of here. But yeah, so it's pretty decent. Like I said, I only have 32 gigabytes. I didn't think I needed more, and I'm liking it so far. I bought this from Amazon. I got it within about 3 days. I have Amazon Prime. It was out of stock a lot. I've been eyeing this for a while. First saw it on Fat Kid Deals. Shout out to Fat Kid Deals if you want discounts on items. And I saw it on there. The first time I saw it was about $240 the first time I saw it on there. But it sells out. It sells out a lot. And when I bought mine, it was actually $279, which I was debating about doing it or not, but I just went ahead and did it. Then, of course, a couple days later, it went back down to the original price, and they were sold out of the gold, which is what I really wanted. The silver was more expensive, so I just settled with the space gray, because I was like, at the end of the day, I don't really care. When I was younger, I used to be one of those people that was like, I only wanted light colored iPhones or iPads. My iPad Air was silver, even though I wanted gold back then, but I got silver. I used to think the gold was so ugly, and then I got my rose gold SE, and I was like, oh, I like this. But my phone now that I'm actually recording this with is space gray or black, I don't know, and this is space gray, so I really don't even mind it. Like, you can't really tell. It's not that important. I feel like all the iPads used to be this color anyway. Well, all the Apple stuff used to be pretty much in one of these tones anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. Like I said, it has a very good battery life. I feel like I don't have to put it on the charger a lot. I left it on all night watching Netflix, and it's only on 89% right now, and it's been on. I have not put it back on the charger. I feel like it does. I think it says about 8 to 10 hours of battery life, but it stays pretty decently charged all day. I don't really have to put it on the charger too much, and I only charge it before I go to bed. I don't leave it on the charger, because the thing that I did to my Air was my Air's battery died, and the main reason I decided to get this was to replace my Air, but also I work from home, and I have a desktop PC, and I get tired of being at my desk all the time, and I've been debating about whether or not I want to get a new laptop or a new iPad. And I've been watching a lot of study videos and like what's on my iPads and all those things, and a lot of those people have pretty much converted to using their iPad as a computer. So I basically decided I'm probably not gonna get a laptop. If I do, it'll probably be way down the line, because now the iPads have the mouse compatibility and stuff with iOS 13, so you can use any Bluetooth mouse on your iPad, and you can use the keyboard. So I was like, that might be the go for me. I have not gotten a Bluetooth mouse or anything yet. I already have a Bluetooth keyboard that I have from with my old one, but I'm gonna do some more research into the mice, I don't know, before I decide to get one, in case I might need like an adapter or something like that, because I've been watching videos, but I'm waiting. And like I said, so far I'm really enjoying it. It's very comfortable to use. I love watching my shows and stuff on here. I don't know, I'm with it. The things that I've been using the iPad for, I've been using it for Procreate and things like that, drawing, which is one of the things that I really wanted an iPad for. I'll show y'all a little bit of my drawings, my little basic bench drawings. Also, I wanted more ability for like my planning and stuff like that, so I do have this app called Notes Writer that I pretty much do like my little planning and stuff, and I've been looking at bullet journaling videos on the iPad too, which I have not done yet. So I basically made like this calendar using if I can click it, oh my god, but basically it's this app, and basically I just took a screenshot of a calendar and filled it in, and with my pencil. I keep saying Apple Pencil even though it's not Apple Pencil. And then I did this general page and stuff like that. So it's kind of like the app Good Notes 5 that a lot of people use, but I don't have Good Notes 5. I've been waiting. I wanted to test out doing this more before I decided to just buy another app. So so far this one is working pretty good, but if I decide to get another one, I'll let y'all know. Also, I've been using this for my games and putting some more games like Dead by Daylight and stuff. And mostly I just wanted this for like watching my shows and stuff now. So now I can watch all my Hulu and Netflix and Prime and stuff, because I had been watching those things like on my Switch, and the Switch only supports Hulu and YouTube. So anyway, I definitely got this to be more productive and stuff like that. A lot of things that I want to do in the future, especially things regarding planning and bullet journaling. And one thing I've been really wanting to get into is sticker making and designing, which is something I've always been into. So that will be happening very soon. And yeah, if you guys do want to see a what's on my iPad or anything like that in the future, definitely let me know. I will also be doing a little review on the pencil soon. I can give you guys a little preview of the pencil. This is the Miko 2nd generation pencil with palm rejection software, which I'll show you guys a little bit with that, a little quick overview of what that looks like. Sorry, my necklace keeps getting all jabbed and stuff like that. Let's go into Procreate and open up a screen size canvas. Oops, wrong brush. Let me get a brush. I know this is so weird. I'm not even in the correct angle to be showing you guys this, but I just want to show you guys what I can do. So I just have this, and this has palm rejection, which is like the actual Apple Pencil, that you can rest your hand on this and it's not going to stop you from writing and stuff like that. So this is horrible. But I've been loving this pen, and I'm going to have a review of it for you guys very soon, so stay tuned for that. But again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope if you guys are thinking about getting the 7th generation iPad, that you guys would go ahead and do that. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything else, if you need anything. But yeah, I'll be back soon with that pencil stylus review, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.